guys, my name is Matt and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, that way you won't miss out on any future content. Also, if you could drop me a like and even give us a comment on the video, let me know how you think things are going. That helps me out with the YouTube and yeah, it helps me along the way. So the block work's coming along. I'm not the quickest bricklayer in the world, although I'm getting a bit quicker since I started laying my first block, so hopefully I can get this done pretty soon. I have been hit by a bit of bad weather and work as well, so I've been limited on time, but yeah, we're getting there. So I'm going to run the videos now so you can see what I've been up to. Drop me a comment in the section below to let me know what you think. See you soon. Okay, so I've got another mix on. Just going to do them a couple of blocks there. That's still wet down there, and because I need to stand on the blocks, I'm going to leave that until it's dry. So yeah, I'm going to do them ones there, and then I'm going to lay a couple of courses for the filterhouse, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we got a few more blocks down yesterday evening. Started the filterhouse there, and those two over there. I haven't got a lot of time today, so I'm not going to get the mixer out. I'm just going to cut a few blocks down, ready for the next time I'm out here. So I'll cut those two down there. Cut some more for this corner, for that corner. And then I'll have them ready for next time I come out. Right, so I've got about 4 or 5 hours today. Got the mixer out. What I want to get done at least is get those two little blocks in there, then get a second course on for the filter house, get that corner in, get another corner in over there, get that corner in there, and get that run done. And then we'll go from there, see what time we got left. Right, so I got caught out yesterday afternoon with the rain. So I didn't get as much done as I needed to, but it's meant to be a dry day today. Got a little bit more done, these two corners in. So yeah, got a few hours today. Hopefully it's going to stay dry, and I can get a bit more, or a lot more done. Get back to you shortly. Right, slowly making progress. Got the second course over there done, and got the third course over the back there done. Taking me a bit longer over there because I'm having to move the bricks from over there, get the blocks from over there, walk them over to there, and it keeps trying to rain on me as well. So I'm going to crack on. Okay guys, just having a break from laying the blocks for 5 minutes. I just want to run through some planned changes that I think I'm going to be doing with the filter system. Originally I planned to go with the Burton's BD300, I think it was, or the 500, but I think I'm going to have to change that due to the costs. Now, I'm basically from the beginning of the year, ever since a certain dictator decided to go and take a massive dump in his next door neighbour's front yard, energy prices are going up. So obviously that's affecting how much energy we're using running the ponds. Obviously with things like variable pumps, we can turn them down. We can run UVs only when we need them. But on top of that now, interest rates look like they're going to be going through the roof. Now my filter system, I was going to be putting on finance. So I think by the time it comes to me buying it, I just think it's too much to have on credit. So anyway, what I'm looking at doing is I'll be going for a filterhouse, I think that's how you say it, or a koi drum filter, one of those two. Basically they're half the price of the Burton's drum. I did obviously want to go for the Burton's drum because I've not read a bad review of them, but unfortunately I think I'm going to have to go down this route now. I can always upgrade in the future, but yeah, I'm going to be looking at going with either the filter or the koi. As far as the moving bed biological filter, I've been having a look around, and the size that I was going to get, you're generally looking at about £800 again. I think Burton's do one for £800, Draco do one £800. I really can't justify spending that much money on basically what's just a box with a couple of air stones in, so I'm going to be looking at knocking one of those up myself. I'd do a decent job of it, like, but I think I could do it for less than half the price. A nice fiberglass unit, same size. So yeah, I'm going to save myself a bit doing that. Okay, and shower filters. I was going to have twin 1 metre showers. I think I'm just going to go for just the one for now, and possibly look at getting that second hand. You generally see them knocking about, so yeah, I think I'll go for a second hand 1 metre. If I can find one at a decent price, then I might still go brand new, but obviously once you've got the show you need to put the media in it and things start adding up, so yeah. One other little change I've decided to do, I'm going to slightly downsize my window. Was going to have a 1.8 metre window, brought that down to 1.5 metres, lost a little bit, but yeah, it still looks decent from the patio. But obviously I'll save a little bit on the price for a window there as well. Okay, so them are my plans for the new filter system. If any of you guys have got a filter or a koi drum, let me know what you think of it. I do think that it'll be fine for my size of pond, but like I say, I could always upgrade in the future, so yeah, let me know in the comments if you've got any experience with these filters. That would help me out, help make my choice. Right, so this is where we are up until now. I've got a third course running across the back there, across there, and across here. I've just got to lay these blocks, 2 blocks down there, 2 blocks there, ready to go for the window. I'll just show you that. Obviously I was on about downsizing the window, so yeah, in between those 2 blocks there, that's 1.5 metres. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Saved myself a little bit of money as well, downsizing. Yeah. And I've also got the second course in for the filterhouse. That's where my door's going. I'm just doing 3 courses for the filterhouse, 3 courses of blocks, and then the rest will be constructed with timber. And 7 courses for the pond. Need to try and work out the volume again. Now I've got the blocks going down. I had a rough idea before, but I'll have a measure and I'll get a rough idea of what the total volume is going to be. Okay, so it's the next day. I hadn't actually planned on doing anything today because BBC weather had said that it was going to be raining all day, and it's the blue sky, so once again they're wrong. So yeah, got a few hours then. Start off by cutting a few blocks for the corners. I'm going to actually start walking some round to the back there as well, so I've got them to hand when I start laying them over there. Not sure if I'm going to get the mixer out yet or not. We'll see how the day goes. Right, so it has been raining on and off today. That blue sky from this morning soon disappeared. So I've been in and out the house like the okey-cokey, but I've managed to get the next few corners cut, ready for next time I get the mixer out. There and there. I've also moved these blocks down here from up there to save me going backwards and forwards once I start laying again, and took a few more blocks up there, so next time I'm out I can have a good crack at it. But yeah, it's coming on now, starting to look like a pond. We'll get there. Okay, so this is the first of the two drum filters that I'm looking at. The Filterhouse HF30. As you can see, it's a lot cheaper than the Burton's. I know the Burton's is more quality, but I think this has got what I need really. It's got the 2 inlets, 2 outlets. That's all that I'm going to be needing. 70 micron screen. This one doesn't come with a pump, so I'd have to get that as well, so that'd be about 250. There's a control panel it comes with. Up to 30,000 litres per hour. This is the second one, probably my favourite out of the two, the Koi QK25. Nice looking drum. This one does come with a pump, so that would save me there up to 25,000 litres per hour. I'd say I'm about looking at about 18,000, I think, so that's more than enough. 2 inlets, 2 outlets. It comes with a control panel as well, and the bypass. 120 micron screen. Yeah, it's a nice looking filter. It's also got the option of the UV as well, which I think is around about 200, 250 for a 40 watt UV, which plugs straight into the drum. So yeah, I do like this one. 1500, well, 1495. That's with the pump. So again, as opposed to the 2,800 from Burton's, it's a big saving. So if anyone's got one of these, yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Be good to hear your opinion on it. Okay guys, that's it for this one. Ideally I did really want to have the block work finished by now, but I haven't, so I'll just have to keep on chipping away at it. The weather has been a bit on and off, so I'm having to battle through that, but again, I'll get there in the end. I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in, especially those that have subscribed to the channel. Means a lot. And just so you know, I will be holding a subscriber giveaway when I get to that 100 subs milestone. It's not a massive one, but yeah, just to show my appreciation, we'll be having a little giveaway, so yeah, be sure to look out for that. And I'd also like to thank Adam from AdsKoi for giving me a little shout out on his YouTube pages. Really appreciate it, Ad. Means a lot, so thanks again for that. And if you haven't already checked out his channel, make sure to do so. I'll leave a description, a link to the description below. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, give us a like, give us a share, and drop us a comment. Let me know how you think things are going, and also if anyone's got any experience with either of those two filters, 2 drum filters that I've been looking at, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Not sure I'm going to be doing a video next week. I'm all caught up with myself and I've got work on Saturday, so and the weather's meant to be bad, so I don't think I'll get a lot done. If I do, I might put out a little update. If not, I'll get the next video to you as soon as it's worth me doing. So okay, so until next time, thanks for watching.